Hi and welcome back to our channel, where we cover all things learning, translating, and understanding new languages. Have you ever wondered what method or strategy is the most effective for learning a new language? Well, in today's video, we share one of the most effective and commonly used methods for language learning. And it just might be something you can implement on your language learning journey. Learning a new language can be a rewarding and enriching experience, but it can also be a challenging and frustrating one. There are many methods and strategies that people use to learn a new language, such as taking classes, using apps, watching movies, reading books, listening to podcasts, and so on. But which method is the most effective? And how can we learn a new language faster and better? The answer is not simple, because different methods may work better for different people, depending on their goals, preferences, learning styles, and abilities. However, there is one method that has been proven by research and practice to be highly effective for most learners, which is the immersion method. Immersion is the method of learning a new language by exposing yourself to the language as much as possible, in a natural and authentic way. Immersion means not only studying the language, but also using it in real-life situations, such as talking to native speakers, watching TV shows, reading blogs, and so on. Immersion means not only learning the language, but also living it. There are several reasons why immersion is one of the most effective methods, but here are some of the main ones. 1. It provides a lot of input. Input is the exposure to the language that learners receive, which helps in acquiring vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and cultural knowledge. This input helps learners to understand and remember the language better. 2. It also provides a lot of output. Output is the production of the language that learners produce, that is important for practicing and improving their skills. This helps learners to use and refine the language better. 3. It creates a motivating and engaging environment. Motivation and engagement are the psychological factors that influence how much and how well learners learn. This helps learners to stay focused and interested in the language. Lastly, it fosters a positive and confident attitude. Attitude is the emotional factor that affects how learners feel about the language and themselves. This helps learners to overcome their fears and challenges in the language. To start applying the immersion method, you can travel to a place where the language is spoken, if possible. Or elsewise create a similar environment at home using the internet, apps, and many other forms of media. You can also try to use a class or a tutor as a supplement, if necessary. The main key is to use the language as much as possible, both inside and outside of the class, tutor, or your immediate environment. To conclude, immersion is a great way for learning a new language, because it helps you to learn the language in a natural, authentic, and enjoyable way. However, there is no one-size-fits-all method for everyone, so we encourage you to always explore new methods and strategies on your language learning journey. Do you think immersion is an effective method for language learning? Let us know in the comments section below. And if this video has helped you learn something new, feel free to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks and see you in the next video.